Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be just cleaning my kitchen, giving you a little motivation. This is a Monday evening that I'm actually doing it on, and my husband cooked this night, so I'm just going to be pretty much picking up the leftover mess. On top of it, he had actually picked up a lot of the mess already and threw most of the dishes, excuse me, I can't talk, most of the dishes in the dishwasher, which just left the little pile that you see that I went ahead and washed by hand. And yeah, so I'm gonna try to make this a quick video just to give y'all guys some motivation for your evening cleaning routines. All right, so let's go ahead and jump in and get started. So right here, if you see the hand in the video, that is my husband. I told him not to come because I was filming, and he was actually without a shirt, so that's why I'm kind of laughing there, because he didn't want y'all guys to see him, of course, without his shirt, and he wanted more ice. So he's like, can you please just give me some ice? So yeah, so anyways, a little background information about me. I am a working mom. I'm actually a mom to four kids. Two are actually adults, and two are actually adults, and then my other two are, smaller children. They are 10 and 8. And so, yeah, I enjoy, boho decor. I enjoy minimalism. I enjoy redoing my home. I enjoy sharing my decor. I enjoy shopping, thrift shopping. Oh my gosh, I love thrift shopping. And like I said, I work full-time Monday to Friday, 8 to 5. So, it can be a little tiring coming home and having to clean and film, but I push myself to do it because I really enjoy it, and it's something that I share, and I want to motivate other moms as well to do it also. So yeah, that's just a little bit of background information about me. Leave me a comment if this is your first time watching my video. If I gave you some motivation, just leave me a little thumbs up, comment, whatever. I really enjoy reading them and replying back to y'all, and I definitely enjoy making new friends. So let's get back to cleaning. So I don't know about y'all, but I like to clean my sink out before I get ready to start really washing dishes in it. So I'm just giving it a quick clean here and a rinse. And also another thing I like to do, I don't know if I've mentioned this before, I definitely like to change out my dish rag that I use every single day. I actually purchased them from Dollar Tree. They're like 2 for $1, and I like to change them out every single day. I use a different rag because of something that I read a while back. And yeah, I just wanted to share that with you.
I like the bed to myself. Nobody's stealing covers. I like to drink to myself. So I'ma have another no.
So has anybody noticed that I changed my decor yet? I changed it up again on top of my island here. Let me know if you spot the difference from my last video or one of my last videos, and let me know what you think. And before this video is over, I'm gonna change one thing about it. Just watch.
Let's go. Take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon. Tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars. We could be floating on the way. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. Cause space makes me sad. Cause space makes me sad. So now we're going to your bedroom. Don't you think we're moving too soon? I love to hear you when you complain about your best friend, how she's so late. And as you're talking, I start thinking, all the details start to sink in. But I don't care about the right now. Spend the summer in this beach house. Cause I will try to play my part.
So I really love my glass stove, but I have a hard time keeping it clean. Like I have, some stains on it, I guess you could say, and I just am not too sure how to get them out yet. So if anybody has any advice out there for that, definitely, leave me a comment down below, because I am just, not sure what to use. I hope you guys are enjoying this video, and let's get back into it.
You tell me you love me, I go start the coffee. Sunday morning, easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it.
All right, everybody, so we are coming to an end with this video. It was just a quick motivational video to get you inspired, get you up, to clean, for whether it's 10 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever you choose. And I hope you enjoyed. Definitely give this video a like, definitely hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram, Denise_Marie06. And also leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you spotted the difference in the change of decor. See you on the next video. Bye.